everybody. Hope if you're doing well, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Voice of Vaishnavi. So today, let us know the importance of worshipping Saturn and how to escape the malefic effects of Saturn. Saturn is an important deity who is a disciplined taskmaster. We all know Saturn malefic effects can be reduced if we worship Lord Hanuman. But there is also an interesting story of worshipping other deities apart from Hanuman. They are Lord Kalabhairav and Kali Mata. It is believed that Lord Saturn likes Kali Mata and Kalabhairav because they both are ruling time. So basically, Ashtamashani, Panchamashani, or Sade Sati occurs if an individual is forgetting their roots, if they are not grounded, if they don't worship or abide by morality, or if they don't respect the working class. Working class means people who work under us. For example, your maids or any of them who are working under you. If you don't respect them, if you humiliate them, if you torture them, the effects will be much intense. I mean, the punishments would be much intense compared to normalcy. So that is the reason why uh, this testing time comes in everybody's life, even if he's a multimillionaire or even if he's a ordinary man. So what are you supposed to do when your time is good, when you are in power or when you're in authority, or when everything is good for you? Try to do some good deeds by donating food to orphan children. Don't look down upon the working class. Respect them for their time, respect them for their duties, and most importantly, don't humiliate them, and don't belittle them, and don't have a negative power distance upon them. That is, we should not look down upon people who are underprivileged. So you can do small things to come out of this malefic effects even before your sadesati or pancham shani or ashtam shani starts. That is, certain remedies like worshipping Saturn on Tuesdays, offering till oil to the temples, and worshipping Kala Bhairava and Kali Mata, and you can also do small remedies as prescribed in Lal Kitab, that is, going and hiding kajal which women wear in the sand or anywhere nearby, and donating fruits to monkeys, and going to orphanages or old age homes and doing a bit of charity. So charity need not be a very big charity. Charity can be as small as 5,000 rupees or 500 rupees. That time Saturn will be very pleased with you. Also, Saturn is related to bones. Why accidents or certain chronic diseases happen during that time? Because knowingly or unknowingly, he tries to destroy your ego. It can be anything. It can be pride from wealth, pride from people, pride from education, or pride from something which you're very proud of. He takes away your loved ones during that time. If you observe, majority of the people lose their loved ones during sadesati or ashtamashani or panchamashani. So this is about it. And destiny, no one can change destiny, but you can at least reduce the malefic effects by worshipping these deities. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.